Hey guys, it's your boy Monkey back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at what's going on with my little game here, cobbleclicker. What I've updated, what I've changed, and what's to come. So first things first, I changed the background. So well, we have backgrounds now. I might make unlockable backgrounds. That was something my friends suggested. So we might do that. I added a little menu here, which doesn't currently work, but that's the achievements, and that's the settings button, which both just don't work yet. I changed the icons on here, and by the way, you can click this if you never noticed. So I changed the icons on here, and I resized them slightly, and you can see these background colors are very different. These also don't look the same. There used to be lines here separating all the sections. They're not there anymore because they looked ugly with this new system. Let's Stick the Beast actually photoshopped this so it looks a bit nicer than the one I made because I'm not very good with my photoshopping program. So he did that. We also have a new cobblestone icon. I don't know why I didn't finish my sentence. We also have items like this, which you can obtain from getting these mines and quarries. To get these mines and stuff, you actually have to pay for the mine before you get the miner squad, because the miner squad well, it won't be useful for you if you don't have any mines. Basically, the miner squad just multiplies how much you produce. If you don't have a miner squad, then individual mines won't do anything. And these mines basically generate cobblestone. Nether mine does not generate cobblestone, but they all generate cobblestone with a chance. Like they have a randomizer in them, and they have a chance of giving you stuff. And because I have a lot of them, then just generates a lot. So that's how that works. There's also quartz and netherite, which I don't have any nether mines. But yeah, I also changed this. I resized slightly the pop-up box. There's also now a pop-up box when you're saving. And also the pop-up does not disappear when you get multiple messages. It used to actually disappear way too early for you to read the second message. It no longer does that. I fixed it. And so yeah, there's a lot of things coming. For the achievements, I can't really test them right now. That's the you can see when I press the achievements button right here, it breaks. But for the achievements currently, it does not work fully because there's no menu, but the mechanics for it actually do exist. So yeah, there's an achievement check function. Well, there used to be, now it's achievements.test. But you can see it returns depending on the achievement ID. So there is a function that will constantly run and check for all the achievements. So achievements are now going to be a thing, which I'm really excited about. I wanted to do that for so long. It was actually a plan I had, well, an idea I had since we had, as soon as I got this third clicker in here. So there were only 3 clickers and I already wanted to add achievements. There's also going to be, if for example I actually fake if I give myself .state and I add equal to true, it should, yeah, because right now the security on this isn't very good. Now if I do this and I do .test, in theory it should do this. How do I make it return? If I just go achievements 0, doing a bit of troubleshooting here. You can see it doesn't have a name. So I actually tried to trigger the achievements, but it didn't work. Right, I can just change it here, actually. So if I go on inspect, I can actually just change it. It'll look something like this. I might adjust it still. But basically, when you get a new achievement, until you click on it and check it out, there's going to be this little red circle. It's not too invasive, so if you constantly get achievements, it won't annoy you, I don't think. But you can still see if you got a new achievement. I don't think achievements will give rewards. They'll just be there for fun. Be like a little challenge to try to get all the achievements. But yeah, so that's a fun mechanic. It's experiments with classes and objects, if you know anything about coding, which I did not know much about because I couldn't find any good information, but I have now. So that's nice. So here's a little sneak peek at what's coming soon. Combat functionality test. This system, I reprogrammed it completely because well, the collisions are a bit off, and well, it's not really something I can fix too much, but I changed it slightly in the newer version so that the collisions, well, they work better. You'll be able to actually I don't know if it does this on this version. No. Yeah, it does this, right? But on the next version, you actually slide down the walls instead of just sticking to them and kind of phasing through them. And also the way everything is displayed is much different because I use p5.js to control these things, but I didn't use the canvas in this version, right? These are all individual dividers and stuff in HTML. If you know anything about coding, again, if you don't, it's fine. But in the new one, if I get it open, just 1 second. In the new one, the collisions aren't fully done, but you can see it's already much better, right? And, well, up to a certain point, you actually float back up, but that's going to be fixed. But you can see you actually slide back down, and you can just kind of climb back up. The character's knockback will actually be like variable, so the more people hit it, the more he'll fly back, even though he already has health. The character already has health, and you can see the graphics are absolutely horrible. But yeah, this works with also what I've just learned about classes and objects. All of these are a different system with a different AI. And this system is, the way this displays is very different because you can see there's actually no HTML here. All there is a canvas which is made by P5. And I just display everything. And if you go into sources, you can actually see the code if you're curious. Yeah, in here, you can actually see if I go into draw, right? Here, it actually displays everything every frame instead of just moving objects, which makes it easier for me, at least, to just remake things and change how things look. It just makes it way easier because I can just make a class and put a new argument set. So I put like type, and then I put an if type equals rectangle, it displays this. If not, it does something else. So it just allows me to do way more stuff, and so that's great. This was just a little update video. I'm probably gonna upload every 2 weeks or every week, just from time to time when I feel like it, because I can't always film, so doing this and just uploading when I can and when I want to and when I feel like it, it just makes it way easier for me, and also reduces the risk of me burning myself out. So yeah, yeah, if you guys liked, maybe hit that like button. I'm just gonna, there we go, hit that like button. All right, see ya. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.